Hello viewers, in this video we are going to see how to create payroll in Tally ERP 9. Now let's see. For enabling Tally, we have, for example, we have different types of departments: sales department, admin department, and research and development department. We have different employees in their department. For example, first we have to what we have to do. First, let's we create a separate company. Alt F3, create. Create a company, payroll, accounting services, okay, private limited. This is our company address XYZ 12348 #25, okay. Town. Now if you select India, state, any state you can select, no problem. Pin code, just no problem, 1234567. Telephone number 12345678910, okay. Email abc@yahoo.com, okay. Accounts with inventory, here take 2009, 1st April 2009. Here also by default automatically it will come 2009 financial year and books beginning from the year, okay. No need for any security control, then accept. Now strategy master creating this company file in Tally ERP 9. Okay, now we are in payroll accounting services private limited, okay. So here first what we have to do, we have to enable payroll. How we can enable? F11 accounting features, yes, for payroll accounting services. Here you can see maintain payroll is make yes, and more than one payroll also make it yes, okay. Now accept the screen. These two should be enabled, okay. There's a maintain more than one payroll and maintain payroll, okay. These two should be must be enabled. Then accept the screen. If after enabling this, in statutory taxation feature, payroll will be enabled and the payroll option will be displayed here. Let's see how it's displayed. Here it is displaying. If before enable it won't display, now it's displaying payroll statutory. Make it yes, and detail also make it yes. Here you can code company code, payroll accounting software limited 123456, anything, okay. Company group code, payroll accounting system limited, okay. Here go payroll accounting service limited, okay. Any number you want, keep any number, okay. Accept company code, company code, employee statutory, state insurance, ESI. No need for, okay, you can put for ESI also. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, ESC branch office, town area. Okay, and now, okay, no problem, 10,000 is the limit. Standard working days, make it 26 days of 26 days only, weekly one holiday. Now the payroll option is also enabled. Now we can see here is a payroll information and payroll voucher also given. Okay, payroll information and payroll voucher also given. Okay, after enabling the payroll. Now let's create one by one payroll master. 5 step we can create the payroll. First, here is the payroll flow. This is the first group. Okay, create employees, just one. Then payroll masters. Okay, employee, payroll master, pay heads, and statutory detail and payroll process. We can, in this 5 step we can create. Okay, we can calculate the payroll. For that 5 steps we require some different information. For example, employee master we get employee group and employee master. Payroll master we get payroll units and payroll attendance type. Okay, so before that let's start up the next procedure. First, what we have to do, we have to first create the ledgers, then we can go for the payroll vouchers. So let's create some ledgers. What are the, okay, here first we have to create the employees. For that purpose we have to first create the group. Group means which employee working in which group. Create here sales. Okay, select primary, then sales department under primary, then administration department, then primary, then research and development, R&D, research and development department. These are 3 departments we have created so far. Now one by one, then create employees. Before creating employees, we want employees detailed information. For that purpose, first let's go to the F12 feature. Here you can see payroll configuration. See, here you can see payroll configuration. Okay, so of payroll configuration, make yes to everything. Show detail, passport detail, contact details, deactive employee if you want to see any old employee. This is the information, means please make the payroll transfer from above account number to the below mentioned account numbers towards the employee salaries, whether it is note for accountant or for general manager or for bank. So the configuration is okay. So now let's get back to employees. Okay, for example, let's create some employee. Vinay Kumar. Okay, let's create Vinay Kumar under admin department. No need for alias. Administration department from 1st April. Employer number 549. Designation, okay, general manager. Function, management. Location, area, town. Gender, male. Date of birth, anything. blood group, anything which you think possible. Father name, anything, Mr. Spouse name, Miss, Mrs. Okay, address XYZ ZXY, contact number 12345678910. Okay, these are contact number a@yahoo.com. Okay, bank name, for example, ICICI, or you can put HDFC bank. Then branch area, I'm just putting this one. This is the account number. Employee detail, income tax number, EPSN number. Automatically it will take some. Now passport number, place, INDIA. Okay, expiry date, okay, visa number, if you want to put expiry, visa expiry date, this is no need. This is the we created employee Vinay Kumar. Now for example, create 3 more employee with research and development and sales employee. Okay, create Rahul with R&D. Rahul. Let's see, here I have already created 4 employees. Vinay under admin department, Rahul R&D, Mahesh sales department, Ajay I didn't create so far, Ajay sales department, employee number 552, designation worker, function normal work he has, location town, mail, okay, okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 T. Okay, here are at the rate yahoo.com. Okay, okay, Punjab National Bank. Okay, branch area, here I have already created account number, tax number, okay, passport number. Now country of issue INDIA, expiry date, visa number, expiry date, okay. So 4 employees I have created now here, okay. So I have, as soon as far I have created 4 employees. Here is the 4 employees I have created. Sales department 2 employee, R&D 1 employee, admin and 1 employee with admin. So I have created group and employee. Now create units, okay. Payroll units. How we can see? We can give in hours, okay. Year accept 2, enter 2. Now minutes, okay. Now we have to create a compound units also. Compound units means, for example, here select compound. Here 1 hours equal to 60 minutes. This is how compound units calculated, okay. This is the compound units, how it is calculated. 1 hours into 60 units, okay. Now we have created units also. So we have created units. Now let's create, then the next one is a attendance. One by one we are creating. First group, employee, units, and now attendance and production type. Here what we have to do, select present, present. How you have to create under primary, year, attendance with, leave with pay, okay. Automatically the days will be come, means present means definitely if he present, definitely he should have to pay. If absent, select primary, here leave without pay, okay. For overtime, you have to select under primary, you have to select on production, on production. How you will pay? 1 hours of 60 minutes we will pay. Per overtime, per hour we will pay, and that hour will be including 60 minutes. This is how we can create the units. Now let's go to the pay heads. First, in Tally ERP 9, different pay heads will have to create. First, earning for employees, okay. Earning for employees means basic pay, what employee can get, HRA and this thing. Then deductions like PF, taxes, anything. Employee statutory deduction, if any statutory deduction, or employee statutory contribution, any contribution, or employee other charges if anything, or bonus and gratuity, loans and advances, anything, and reimbursement to employees, okay. First we should have to create earning for employee. For example, like basic pay, there's things here. Basic pay, enter, plus enter, press enter. Here earning, this is definitely, this is for earning for employees. and it is a indirect expenses. After 1 month we will pay. Net salary affected, definitely it will affect a basic pay. Use for gratuity, definitely yes. Gratuity is depend upon the basic pay, that's why it will take use for. Okay, calculation type, on attendance. Okay, if he present, definitely select month. Here user define means 26 days a month. Here normal rounding, select 1. Okay, user defining, and 26 days should be compulsory. 1 month means 31 days it will take, 30 days. Now house rent allowance, house rent allowance. Okay, this is also earning for employees, and this also indirect expenses. Yes, house rent allowance. Gratuity, no, it won't affect. This is how user, it is a as on computed value take, because if for example we will take if basic pay is something 10,000, so on that we can take 40%, like. So if you select the computed value, now another computation information is given here. Okay, here is the rounding method 1. Select on current earnings, select. Okay, as per computed value, here you what you have to select is on specified formula. Okay, like basic pay, just take only basic pay because we have selected so far basic pay only. Press enter from 1st April 2009. Amount up to, we didn't give amount because we have given formula, so that's why don't give amount. Percentage, just give percentage, 40% on basic pay. Accept, accept, and accept. This is the how you can give 40% on basic pay. Okay, as a computations. Accept the screen. Okay, we have accepted the screen. Now let's go for another one. Convenience. Earning from employee, indirect expenses. Convenience, it won't affect to gratuity. Convenience is a flat rate, directly it will give, like monthly it will give. Normal rounding method 1. Overtime pay, okay. This is earning for employee only. Indirect expenses, after 1 month it will pay, that's why indirect expenses. It won't affect gratuity. Here on production take overtimes, take overtimes. Okay, now normal rounding method, accept, accept. Now variable pay head, like any other, if it is for employee benefit, variable pay like gifts, any other thing. Variable pay, yes, definitely it is for employee only. Indirect expenses, yes, it won't affect gratuity. Here as user defined value, which how much it is, it should not be calculated on separate. This is the things which we have created so far. Pay heads also, till the pay heads we have. Okay, pay heads we have some other pay heads also. So we have created earning pay heads. Now deduction pay heads. Employees provident fund contribution 12%. Okay, employees PF, employees PF contribution 12%. This is the deduction P head. So it is earning for employees, no, deduction for employees. And take employee statutory deductions. Okay, here statutory pay type, employee state insurance, it is ESI or PF account or professional tax or voluntary PF account. Take PF account number 1. Okay, these are duties and taxes or current liability. Take current liability, not a duties and taxes. It is a PF. Later we have to pay to employees. Affect net salary, definitely it will affect. Employees contribution fund 12% currency. Okay, as computed all value and months already taken here, you can see. Okay, so now we have to see rounding method. Calculation type is as computed value. Okay, computation method is on specific formula. Okay, let's go. Normal rounding 1, select 1. Here on specific formula you have to select, like first take the basic pay. Okay, normal rounding as a specific on specific formula as the computed method and press enter. Okay, let's see first. Here what you have to do is, okay, okay, now what you can do, you can select the basic pay. Okay, select the basic pay only and do not select any other thing, just select basic pay. Here make 14208. okay, amount up to, if you want to give amount you can give amount up to 6500. Slab rate, if you want slab rate also. Select the percentage. Okay, how much percentage you want to give? 12%. Select the 12. Now it will leave you here 6500 till 6000 12%. After 6500 it will be take value, no limit, here value 780. After that, then accept. This is the employee PF contribution will be selected. Okay, statutory value deduction, here employee statutory deduction, PF account, select PF account, select under current liability, here as computed automatically selected, normal rounding, here only basic pay. Okay, here first percentage up to 6500 percentage, after 6780 directly. Select yes. Now this is a PF contribution. Okay, now create ESI, employee state insurance contribution. Okay, employee state investment, ESI contribution at 1.75%. Okay, now enter here, it's a employee statutory deduction. Okay, here select ESI, employee state insurance. From statutory pay type, select employee state insurance. Here it's a current liability only. Effect net salary, yes. In the pay slip you have to put this name as computed already. Okay, done. Just select normal, as computed value already selected in calculation by month. Okay, normal rounding method 1. Now press enter to get here. Here you can see on specific formula, it will leave you here in formula. Select basic, select HRA also. Okay, add pay head, HRA, house rent allowance. Okay, and add pay head, go here, after basic pay, pay head, house rent allowance, add pay head, here convenience, then add pay head again, then overtime. Okay, then accept. End of the list. First, from first 2008, from starting 2008, select 2008. Okay, from percentage, from amount and up to amount fields are skipped as the amount is already entered in the selected. Okay, already entered in statutory and taxation screen. So select percentage as a slab type. Here it's already selected, so from here give 1.75%. Okay, and press enter and accept the screen. This is how ESI will be created. Now select professional tax, pay head professional tax. professional tax. How to create professional tax? Let's see. Enter earning for employees. No, it says statutory deduction for employees. Here go to the professional tax. Here registration number, if you have registration number you can give payroll accounting software limited 1 2 3 4 5 6. It is a direct expenses. No, it's a current liability. Yes, professional tax rupees in months or a period. Okay, month. Rounding method, normal rounding only, and normal rounding only 1. Here what you have to select is as on current earning total, definitely 2.5% on current earning total. Whatever we are earning we have to pay on that. So from 1st April 2009 only, currently we are in April 2009. So okay, amount up to, for example, from amount we have to see okay, first no, up to 5,000. Up to 5,000 is here go for value, not for percentage, value 0. 5,000 to 8,000 value should be 60 rupees should be paid. 8 to 10,000 value 100 rupees should be tax paid. 10,000 to 15,000 value 150 should be paid. 50,000 to above value 200 should be paid. This is how professional tax created, professional tax paid. Okay, like professional tax and employee statutory deduction, professional tax, select professional tax in current liabilities, and effect, definitely it will affect salaries. Name to appear in payslip, professional tax in rupees as computed by default come, take the months, not in period, not in year. Okay, here on total earnings, current total earnings. Okay, whatever we will earn on that we will pay, and this is the assign. Accept the screen. Yes, we have accepted the screen. Okay, gratuity pay. Gratuity, how we will calculate last eligible salary divided by number of days in a month to be considered. Okay, into number of days pay eligible for the total months covered in the respective slab period into service period in appropriate years in a respective slabs. Let's see. Okay, gratuity expenses, pay head, means ledger we have to create gratuity expenses. Pay head is a gratuity under provision and contingencies. Okay, okay, here in name what we have to do, gratuity expenses. Gratuity expenses here in bracket take provisional. Okay, here we have taken provisional. Now select, no need alias, no narration. Here select gratuity in pay head types. Here where is the gratuity? Here gratuity. It will leave you another window, gratuity days of a month. How many days we have selected? 26 days. Okay, from 1 to 60. From 1 to 60. Okay, eligible. Okay, 1 to 60 month, till 60 months. 60 months means 12 months is 1 year. 12 months in 1 year, 24 months in 2 year, 48 months in 4 year, 48 60 months, 5 years. Till 5 years, eligible days for gratuity calculation per year is nil. Till 5 years is nil. After 5 years to 120, okay, 15 days eligible. After 120 days, it will be 15 only. So this is the way we have selected. Select the provision. Select the provision under current liability. By default will take in rupees. Okay, here rounding method, normal rounding 1. Okay, this is the way how gratuity will be created. Depend upon the month. Salary detail setup. What we have to now, we have to see set up the salary detail. We have created pay head so far. Now let's salary detail, update the salary detail. How we can do? Okay, what we have done so far: employee group, employee units, attendance, pay head, and now go for salary detail. Here create, select admin, go to the create salary, select administration department. Okay, from list I have employee, here for the link. Okay, admin department, different types of department, select Vinay Kumar from admin department. Okay, now you can see the Vinay Kumar employee number and administration departments automatically given. From here, what you have to do, select first basic pay and the rate is 10,000. Okay, a month. Earning for employees, on attendance, calculation types, everything is came. Second, select house rent allowance. Okay, by default earning for employees as computed, it is already given. Third, convenience. Here rate 800 as a rate and press enter. Okay, it will get automatically. Now overtime. Okay, overtime is 55 per hour. It's given out hours automatically. Select it. Now this is the, okay, now variable, also add the variable pay. Okay, directly it's taken as earning as user defined. Now this is the earning for employees. Now deduction, add deduction also. First, professional tax, automatically static deduction is given. Now employer PF, %, and ESI. Okay, and finally, but okay, last but not the least, gratuity expenses. Okay, now end of the list. select. Like this only, select for the create salary details for different employee. Okay, for example, if you take the group also for creation, like sales department, here you can create, but we have, if the salary different, then we got a problem. So but we can create a different one. Let's see. Okay, for example, add the basic pay, just leave the rates. Okay, later we will see. Now house rent allowance, leave the rate. Convenience, no need for rates. Overtime, no need for rate. Variable, okay. Professional, this after this is deduction started. Professional, then PF contribution, then ESI, then gratuity. Okay, end of the list. These are group we have done so far. To define salary for different group, for example, like in sales group we had different, for example, Ajay and Mahesh is a sales group. To define the salary to separate belongings, okay, to define salary to Mr. Ajay belonging to sales group, following steps should be, okay, the following steps should be what you have to do. What you have to do, create, here you can select Ajay, Ajay is given here. Okay, select the Ajay. Okay, copy from parent value, it is given copy from parent value, select. Now everything is given, so you can directly insert the amounts. Okay, so the pay structure or comprising of earning and deduction pay heads defined as the user is pre-filled automatically. Enter the values for each pay head for Ajay as per the detail mentioned earlier. F12, set the allow option overridable slack percentage. For example, go from here F12. Okay, make it enable this one also. Allow to override slack percentage. To make it enable this option also. Okay, now insert the details like 10,000 his salary, enter. HRA is 20% and convenience is 2,000 to him a month, and 100 is for overtime per hour. Okay, then accept the screen. Okay, similarly you can create the salary details for the Mahesh. How? Let's see. Here, copy from parent value, we got this. Here already make it enable. Basic pay of Mahesh 45,000 and HRA is 40%. Next, convenience 1000, overtime is nil. Variable pay as user defined. Okay, accept the screen. Now even create for R&D for Rahul. Okay, add the basic pay for Rahul is 20,000. HRA 40%. Convenience, he don't have any convenience. Overtime, he don't have any overtime. Variable expenses, variable pay, and after variable professional, then PF, then ESI, then gratuity. Accept the screen. Here we have given salary details also. Now the final is only voucher types. Only we have to pass the vouchers. Okay. So everything we have created so far. Let's go for voucher detail. Vouchers. Okay, there are three types of vouchers of payroll voucher, namely attendance voucher, payroll voucher, and go different types of voucher. For example, attendance voucher, payment voucher, and payroll voucher. Three voucher we have. First attendance, next payroll, then again after that payment. First attendance voucher. Okay, okay, let's start with the attendance voucher. First create. Okay, how you can create? Let's go to the vouchers directly here only. Okay, in the same above scenario, separate attendance voucher are required to be entered for recording present days and overtime hours. A separate vouchers. Okay, gateway of tally, payroll vouchers. Here you can find attendance voucher. Okay, now we are in attendance voucher. Employee name, select. If you want to change the date, you can also change the date. For example, F2 30 April. Date above starting from books of, okay, right, 30 April 2009. Date above current period is 1st April, so we have given voucher date 30 April, but still it's not taking. 31st March. Okay, it's taking this one. Okay, Current period is to 31st March and current date. Let's change this one so we can get a true one. From 1/4/2009 to 31st March 2010. Okay, so now it will be changed easily. Go to payroll voucher. Okay, attendance voucher. Here F2 30 April. So now you can see 30 April is accepted. Okay, press enter. Here Alt A. Alt A, we got some information. Okay, here change the date 30 April is given, we have given, and primary cost voucher date should be 30, voucher date should be 30 only, voucher date 30 April only. Okay, select primary cost as employee cost category, this one. Okay, employee group. In employee group, okay, select all item. Okay, it's already selected all item. Okay, attendance fees all item, automatically it will come. First primary cost category, all item. Here you get the information. For example, attendance production type, select present. Okay, first we are creating present. Okay, 30 April. Now let's see, first creating present for all employees, how many days they have created. Okay, so attendance days, attendance, this is the way where attendance calculate for every month. Okay, 26 days Ajay. Next, total present should be 26 for every 4. Accept the screen. Now okay, make it change. I have done 26 to change, make it change. All right, how many days they have came? Only 70 days Ajay, and out of 26 days, now it's showing here, out of 26 days 15, 22 and make 26, 15, 22, 26 days. Okay, if you want narration, you can put the narration, or else accept the screen. This is for present and how many days we have present we created. Now for overtime, select Ajay for overtime, or else you can come here and select Alt A, primary all times. Here select overtimes, everyone's overtimes is given here. Okay, select 720 minutes he walk in minutes tick. means 12 hours. Now he didn't work, make it 90 minutes, 900 minutes, 900 minutes, MINS. Okay, it will take 15 hours. So accept this screen. Present days and overtime we have already added. Okay, absent no need to add. Now cash remittance. Cash remittance, how much we will pay extra, some different amount, how much cash we have given to employees, like. Okay, on 30 April for example, payroll accounting solution pay for all the employees and entitle the following employees for variable pay. For example, variable pay we didn't add, so it is user defined, we kept. So now we can define for variable pay. Gateway of tally payroll voucher, here we got. Okay, now select all, control F4. Control F4 is a payroll here. Okay, 30 April, it's already 30 April, so make it 30 April. Okay, here select cash. Now from here what you have to do, control A, alt A. Okay, alt A, what you can get is to prefill employee payment details in the payroll autofill screen. Select salary in the process field. Okay, what you do, select salary, not PF and SMN, we are not calculating, we are calculating still salary. Okay, from 1st April 2009 to 31st April 2009. Okay, primary cash. Okay, cost category, all items should be taken. Here in all item, okay, should be taken. Here take cash. Now it will leave you this way, primary cost category and what are the cash amounts of, what are the salary amounts for employees. Okay, so you can find 10,116. Okay, here is a variable pay option, it will give going directly salary to variable. So variable we can update user defined, so we can update here variable pay. Is this variable pay? Enter specify the variable pay head defined as user defined value against each employee in case define variable pay. If you have the variable pay, then enter the variable pay. Okay, for example, if you don't have for Ajay, you are not paying anything. If you are paying for Mahesh, for example 1000 you are paying for Mahesh, so Mahesh salary is present 36,000 change. Okay, this one. Now his salary, okay, add 1000, now it is 37,000 present. Okay, and don't give to Rahul variable pay, give to Mahesh Kumar, it's 1500. Vinay Kumar, earlier it was 14,600 for Vinay Kumar. After paying the this, you can find 15, now 16,145. This is a pay period 1st April to 31st March automatically in narration. Accept the screen. This is how we have paid salaries for April. Okay, If you want to do bank transfer, this is a cash which we have paid, okay. But if you want to do with a bank transfer, what we will do, okay. For example, next month 31st May 2009, we are paying salaries in, okay, Payroll Accounting Services Limited paying salaries for the month of May through bank transfer. The attendance record display the following details. Okay. For example, this is the attendance record. So what we have to do, we have to go for attendance first for May. Here what you have to do, select 31st May. Okay. Alt A, primary cost, all item. What we have to do, just take present or absent, anything you can take present. Here how many days are present? Vinay Kumar Ajay is 21 days and Mahesh 26 days, Rahul 20 days, Vinay Kumar 25 days. Okay, accept it. Okay, overtime, if you have overtime you can take the overtime. Also from here, Alt A, accept it. Here take overtime for 31st March. Overtime is Ajay 120 minutes only for Ajay, 120 MIS. Okay, so automatically it take 14 hours. So 14 hours means earlier, okay, earlier 12 hours, now 12 hours. It's took automatically 14 because earlier 12 hours last month, that's why it's taken. Okay, press enter, don't give to anyone else. Now accept it. Here attendance screen you have accepted. Now go for payment. What you will do with that, first create salary payable ledger. Okay, before passing the salary payment voucher, create the following ledgers. Salary payable, payhead not applicable under current liabilities. How you can pay? Back, go to payroll information, everything you have to do here only. Create payhead. Now create name salary payable. Under payhead type, create not applicable, select not applicable. Here take current liability. Rupees is a simple format. Payhead creation we have created. Now create payroll voucher. This is the payhead we have created. Now create payroll voucher. Voucher means go to the voucher. This is the payroll voucher from Gateway of Tally. We have went payroll voucher. Here control, this is the attendance. To go to payroll voucher, go for payroll. Here Alt F2 means already 31st March, no need to change. Alt A. Alt A, here take the salary, select salary. Salary 1st March to 31st, 1st May to 31st May, primary cost, all item, select all item. Here salary payable. Okay, now you get some amounts here. some fluctuation amount. Okay, so press enter all the pay values calculated for the applicable for the pay head for each employer group under the selected group. Press enter and specify the pay values for the pay heads define. Okay, but what you have to do, give variable pay, for example sum to sum. Okay, for example Vijay, this time give to Vijay 1200, Mahesh, okay, no need a whole, no need look, give to Vinay Kumar 500. Earlier it was 13,000, now we are giving, so it will change to 13,300, now it will change to 13,800. And this here is the pay period is 1st May to 31st May. Okay, this is the complete payroll voucher for the month of May 2009 is display shown. After passing the above entry, please select salary payable for the month of May as transfer to the salary payable ledger at the time of payment of salary and amount is revised. Accept this one? Yes, this we accepted. Payment of salaries. How salary can be paid? This is a voucher we have transferred in payable. In the Tally ERP 9 voucher, can be used to effect salary disbursement to employee. The payment voucher for the salary payable may be passed through regular payment voucher, okay, or automated using the present salary payment process available in Tally ERP 9 for error-free data input during payroll payment entry with the help of autofill capacity. Okay, for example, how you can disbursement of amount, how you can divide the amount. Okay, go to gateway of Tally, here accounting voucher, here. Okay, what you do, F5 is a payment, yes. F2 is a date, no need to change, date is already for March. Select Alt A. Okay, here only. Alt A, we are not getting Alt A. Okay, accounting voucher, payment voucher. Let's create first bank. We didn't create any bank. For example SBI bank. Under bank account, we don't have any amount in bank, so let's take some amount in bank. For that purpose, like capital under capital account, means we have received capital in business. Credit capital, for example 55 lakh actually from SBI bank. Okay, so now go for payment, Alt F1, we are not getting Alt F1. Inventory buttons, payroll buttons, Control F1, sorry, it's Control A, we are not getting Control A. payroll button. Here is a payroll. Auto prefill buttons. Okay, from accounting payroll, okay, accounting voucher, we can go here, and if you are not getting directly prefill option is not giving here, it's not giving alt a option. So let's go indirectly salary payable. How much looks salary payable amount is given here. Okay, the salary payable amount is given total 1,09,572 salary for 31st May. Okay, so 1 lakh with invoice is the option is there. There is no option. Post it is optional and there is no option, so no problem. 1,09,000, 1,09,572. Okay, cost center, by mistake cost center is came, so let's go to here, control enter, change. Okay, cost centers is given, primary cost centers. Here if you have Ajay, if you have different salary option, also print details, you can give details to here indirectly. I'm going indirectly because directly it's not showing, so I'm going with indirectly. 12,162 is the print receipt I have with Ajay, Mahesh. Indirectly I'm going 63,000 0 to 20, and Rahul 20,559. Okay, then Vijay Kumar, the remaining 13,831. Bank SBI Bank. Okay, this is the SBI Bank we are going to pay. Now it's showing zero balance in salary payable amount. Pay the salary. This is the how we paid the salary in Tally ERP 9. This is a way for Tally. So this is way for okay, salary pay in Tally ERP 9.